Ashley Huizing is a former member of the Cal State San Marcos women's golf team, Go Cougs, fellow alum, but now as a Class A PGA member and certified personal trainer, she has taken her talents on the road with something she calls 20 years in 20 days, and Allison Edmonds has the story on that.
It started out as a recreational golf trip to get out and see the country, but it soon turned into a project to help grow the game of golf.
When I had heard all of these managers and these pros who have been, in the industry for a long time, they're celebrated, and as they should be, huge achievements, but they always made one statement: trust me, I've been doing this for 20 years. And the reaction that I constantly saw from people was instant credibility and just kind of a, okay, you're right, you do your thing. And I wanted to learn what others had learned over 20 plus years in their careers. And I wanted to be able to share their experiences, their challenges, their triumphs, their fumbles. And so when I went out and interviewed all these people, they shared with me their knowledge and their experience. And I brought it home to me, and I thought, this is incredible, and this can't be one and done.
So she decided to embark again in 2020, but this time with her newly purchased and customized RV. That was until the coronavirus hit.
It was not only a road trip, but it was a very special road trip for me because it was going to the Masters, to Augusta National, to the Holy Grail. I would have cried walking through the gates, and I was so excited to go. And coronavirus and COVID-19, and my thoughts go out to everyone who's been affected, and I'm not singularly unique in the fact that I'm dealing with setbacks and that I'm at a standstill with my career. I think the rest of the world is experiencing that. So for me, it's really just finding creative new ways to create content for the sponsors and to really pump up and promote the next trip.
And the day for her next trip has finally arrived.
June 25th, I am heading up to Bandon Dunes, which is in Oregon. This will be my first time visiting Oregon. So Oregon, Idaho, Washington, Northern California, I just can't wait to see what all of these pros are doing to push, raise the bar for 2020.
But ultimately, Ashley hopes that her journey will help to improve the game of golf as a whole.
So it's really about growing the game, women, juniors, fitness, sharing stories, sharing best practices, sharing challenges, and learning from each other.
From the Grand Golf Club in Del Mar, Allison Edmonds, KUSI Sports.